back home in Philippines, we don't eat avocado with bread, right? We'd never ate avocado with bread. This is just the beginning of my journey, you guys. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Janen. You guys, I know it's been a while, and yeah, if you guys follow me on my social media, I shared my story about my weight, you know, from 97 pounds to 114. And I'm happy about it because that's really my goal. But my gaining weight, you guys, is not eating McDonald's. I can gain weight instantly if I ate fast food, junk foods, I mean sweets, but that's not my goal. So yeah, what I'm doing is a slight calorie surplus. So I'm eating a lot than I used to. Before, I don't eat breakfast, you guys, because I don't like it. Once I drink coffee, that kills my appetite. I barely drink coffee anymore because I really start my day with breakfast in my smoothie. So I start my morning with a glass of water with lemon with no ice. Saying my goal is to gain weight, but in a healthy way. So water is done. Now let's move on to my smoothie. Protein shake time. So as you guys can see here, I have this protein shake from Way. This is the vanilla one, and I have here as well the protein shake chocolate. This was given to me by Cheryl because she don't want it, and you know, I'm into it, so I took it. This is a chocolate flavor, so I always like go back and forth of this too, because sometimes when you drink this by itself, it's kind of boring. So I kind of like go back and forth. So today I'm gonna use this one, this plant-based Vega Sport. Ang daming arte, but you know, it is what it is. So yeah, thank you, my friend. Unsweetened almond milk. We got half a banana. That one earlier was for the show, so I got a half a banana. I got blackberries. I got raspberry. So this one, you guys, I got this from Costco. This is called Not Zoo. I mean, this one right here contains a lot of nuts. Nuts is really good fat, so it's a healthy fat, which is what we need. I'm saying, and I mean, you can use peanut butter if you want to. You can use almond butter. I mean, I always use fresh fruits. Not always, but I also have frozen. So this is another option if you don't have this. I want to use them before it gets bad. That's the problem of this fresh one. You can have frozen, you can have fresh. It's all up to you, okay? Because girl, we gotta fuel our body before we go to gym. Before, I remember when I go to the gym with no food, just banana and a coffee, and sometimes just water, which is not good. So I kind of learned about that. You can't go to gym and work out without food in your body because you're not burning anything. That's why I am 97 pounds, never gain weight, even I eat junk. Saying, so yeah, you gotta fuel this body because we're gonna burn that calorie down, okay? A lot of people drink this by itself, but putting more fruits and, you know, extra kemi, it makes my smoothie life happy, okay? I like going to the gym early in the morning because nobody there, okay? 1 cup of protein shake, 5 of this, be 6, whatever, how I feel. Blackberries, not a handful, maybe this much. Eating healthy is really expensive. You got this extracurricular food, but you know, it is what it is. Because girl, I think hospital bill is more expensive. Like I'm saying, when we get sick, so keep that in mind. Diet, it's not about losing weight, you know, it's all about, you know, taking good care of your body, you know. If you feel good, you look good. Just a handspoonful. It's too early, okay? It's too early, you guys. Just bear with me. So I had this much peanut butter. So this one has cashew nuts, almond, Brazil nuts, I don't know what is that, flaxseed, chia seed, hazelnut, pumpkin seed, and Celtic sea salt. Celtic sea salt. Now let's blend this baby like you blend your eyeshadow, okay? It's so good. You can't go wrong with berries and chocolate together. It's perfect. So if I don't drink protein shake in the morning, I cook my breakfast, which is I have like toast with like avocado. I have, you know, avocado is really good fat. It's a healthy fat for us. A toast, and I have like 2 to 3 eggs. You can cook like scrambled sunny side up. I don't know, whatever you do with your eggs. So I have like 2 or 3 of that. Along with that, I have 1 packet of Quaker oats. Yeah, I know. I cook my Quaker oats with almond milk, a little bit of cinnamon and honey, and that is my breakfast. Just so you guys know that I don't eat avocado toast. Like, I don't. So when I tried avocado toast for the first time, I was like, oh, this thing is good. Back home in Philippines, we don't eat avocado with bread, right? We never ate avocado with bread. Now that I'm here in US, that's what you call avocado toast. After this, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the gym, and I'll see you later for my lunch. I just got back from the gym, and what I did today is compound exercise. So baby girl lift a little bit, okay, because it is a full workout, full body workout. So that's what I want to do. Since it's lunchtime, I already cooked my eggs. I ate 5 eggs a day. Yeah, so today I'm gonna have a chicken salad. Along with a chicken salad, I'm gonna have a salad. If you don't like salad, you guys, you gotta learn how to love salad, because when you do this kind of stuff, you're gonna eat salad, okay? Put it here, and I have a balsamic vinaigrette. So this is like romaine, red cabbage, green cabbage, kale, carrots, dried cherries, almonds, fried onions. Yeah, this is kimberlu eklabo inside, you know. And here, sliced almond. You don't need to put balsamic if you don't need it, if you don't want to, but for me, I like it. It's gonna be a big bowl of lunch, baby. And we're just gonna mix this together and forever. So it's dinner time. For my dinner, if it's not chicken, if it's not steak, I'm eating salmon, and I'm having a, what do you call this, baby mushroom. To season this one, it's easy. One onion powder, garlic, salt and pepper. That's easy. And for my mushroom, I'm just gonna cook this. Very easy, just saute. That's it. And now let me just go ahead and cook this, and then I'll show you what I have in my plate. My dinner! This is a sauteed mushroom, you guys. I just use onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of oyster sauce. Just a little bit. My salmon is done. I have my brown rice, and I have my sweet potato. Later, I'm gonna put some butter and cinnamon. When you in a diet, you really need to enjoy your food. So by enjoying my food, I have my Maggi Sabor Chili Mansi. Since, you know, I have salmon, so I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit, just a little bit, not too much. So yeah, this one here, put a little bit. Yeah. Yes, and that's my din. I got my carbs, my vegetables, and my protein. So later, you guys, I'm gonna show you my snacks. So you can eat this by itself. Also eat this for snacks, you guys. So yeah. Just so you guys know, I started this process, or you know, me gaining weight in a healthy way as possible by I think about 4 weeks now. So you guys, I tried to be consistent. I tried to be, I tried to stay in the line because, this is our goal. And that's the time that I was like looking for my weight, my food that I ate, my macro intake, those kind of stuff. For some people, it is hard to gain weight. I mean, as I've said earlier, it's really easy to gain weight if you eat junk foods, fast food, you know what I'm saying? And you guys, I'm gonna show you as well what I eat snack-wise. You guys know I love bananas so much. At some point I thought I'm a monkey. Banana is life. Almond, peanut, whatever you have. Sweet potato chips. I know, speaking with sweet potato chips, right there, you see? I don't restrain myself of eating because you guys, I can eat a lot. I still eat noodles, you guys. I still eat pho. Everything that I do is in moderation because too much will kill you. No, I'm not. I'm just joking. I don't really eat sweets a lot. I mean, I can have maybe bite by bite. I drink a lot of water, you guys. A lot of water. Sometimes I have coconut water as well. So yeah, just everything in moderation. And of course, you guys, exercise is for me is very important. So what I do right now is just the beginning of my journey, where this journey takes me. But I know that I have a goal, and that's what I'm trying to get. Each one of us has a different goal. The thing about me is I'm always up to challenges, like I'm saying. So yeah, this is what I ate in a day, and this is just the beginning, you guys. And yeah, I hope you like it. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys. And I mean, let's be friends, because why not? Thank you guys all so much. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye.
I just wanna dance.